This video is about the WordPress Invoice and Estimate plugin. Our site is onewordpress.org. You go to the site, you see up here on the right hand side it says Invoices. When you click that, and on the invoice page you can see information about the plugin and sample plugins like mechanic estimates, contractor, roofers, etc. So if you click one of these links, this is mechanics. One Mechanic is one of our portals. You want to see a auto repair shop invoice estimate. Your logo would be at the top. All these descriptions we can put on one button key so you don't have to do that much typing. It does automatic calculations. It's a very professional look. Now, going back to our One WordPress site, we have a sample here you can load. On the left you'll see quotes, make a new quote, invoices, add an invoice, look at invoices. So in this case we're going to go into quotes and we're going to add a new quote. Now the first thing you do is you enter a potential client in the user base, where you just merely put in their email address and you'll be able to mail them through the website a professional quote. So you choose your client, put in a little information. It's a quote for web design work, and you copy that to the description in the quote. And as far as the items, each item is a line entry. There's unlimited entries, and again, you can use predefined jobs. So in this case, we're going to do a basic web design site, and you can see it automatically enters the basic information, pricing, etc. You can edit it, change it, and the invoice will automatically change. Now, once you actually have a quote, you can mail it to the customer, and this is the link that he'll see on the site, and they can accept it at the top or decline it. And as far as actually looking at invoices to mail, you just go into your invoice file, and right at the invoice file there's a little link where you can mail an invoice to a client. So you click that to mail it, then when the client gets it, they'll see a little email here. It says quote. They look in the quote, they press the button, and then go right onto this page. Now as soon as a client accepts a quote, it automatically migrates over to a invoice, where you can then put paid information as they pay for the job, etc. So your website now becomes an invoice creation tool, where you can track quotes, estimates, final invoices. You can run sales report. If you don't want something to show up in a sales report, you just say it's not paid and it won't show it up. So it's a very strong system. It's made in MySQL, which is the main database that WordPress uses, and it can fit up to 256 terabyte of data. So the only limit is the hardware server that you're running on. Give you an idea how powerful the software is. 256 terabytes is literally billions of quotes and invoices. So the largest company could run on this database. As far as the actual website, again, it would be on your website. If you don't have a WordPress site, we can convert it to a WordPress site, and then we just install our WordPress invoice. Again, our site is onewordpress.org. Our phone number is 877-PAGE-101. That's 877-PAGE-101. Our direct numbers 877-724-3101. That's 877-724-3101. And again, our website is onewordpress.org, the number 1. And the invoice information is right at the top of the site. So when you click that, the various invoice information will come up, and there's links to other pages about it. So if you want to see more information, you can see here, this is the actual shopping cart showing the information. That's it for now. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.